Ready to dive into the world of coding? Our 14-day Python program is here to help you learn Python straight from your mobile via WhatsApp. No fancy laptops or setups needed. Now, you might be wondering, is this course for me? Absolutely. It's designed specifically for absolute beginners. Even if you've never written a single line of code, you're in the right place. We start from scratch. So, what's in store for you? Expect easy-to-follow lessons that fit right into your busy schedule. Our bite-sized lessons make learning Python affordable and super accessible. Plus, you won't feel overwhelmed with complex jargon. We keep it simple and fun. Why learn Python, you ask? Well, it's a versatile programming language and a great skill to have in today's job market. You'll be opening doors to new career opportunities. Ready to start your journey? Don't wait too long. Limited seats are available, so hop in now and let's get coding together.